Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap, a trade that I didn't take, but I just wanted to go over it because right now I'm in a new challenge, funded account 10K, and I'm really looking to find A plus setups to trade with this account. I have a 10K account with FTMO, and I bought this new challenge just because I think I'm really getting into how the market works, how it moves. I'm really able to read where price wants to go for the day. I'm usually very good at establishing daily bias and where price wants to go for the whole day. So I'm just going to start from that. So today, I didn't take this trade, not because I wasn't confident about it, but just because I didn't know the US changed their time 1 hour. So for me, market open was not at 2:30 today, but it was at 1:30, and my chart was wrong. It wasn't updated. So I thought that uh, 9:30 here was 8:30. So I pretty much missed my whole trade, which would have been a perfect one. But let's not talk about this. So before market open, I highlighted this internal buy side liquidity above this 1 hour fair value gap, hourly high with this fair value gap. This was a high probability liquidity to be swept for the day, and also this buy side just because it was Asia session high. So again, high probability liquidity to get taken out, and then of course obvious sell side liquidity after we had taken out this and this. This was the obvious drawn liquidity for today. So what I wanted to see was taking shorts, obviously, because we were so bearish looking at the higher time frames, even the 1 hour bearish. Then scaling into the 5 minute when market opened, it didn't open for me. We swept out this this pre-market liquidity right here, pre-market open lows, and we created an SMT, if I'm not mistaken. No, not really. No, we didn't create an SMT right there. But I saw price rallying up here, and on the Nasdaq we were still down pretty much quite a lot. So I did expect an SMT, and we had this SMT at this 5 minute high. After this big move up, I didn't really expect price to go all the way up here. So I thought this SMT was a really nice point to take into consideration and making this high a protected high. So I scaled down into the 1 minute time frame to look for something that made sense for me to get an entry. And this would have been perfect, just getting an entry before macro opens, SMT, manipulation up, SMT, 1 minute displacement, bearish fair value gap, getting tapped, entry right here, stop at the high of the SMT that serves as a protected high, and just easy target the liquidity, the obvious draw on liquidity that was here for today. That would have been a great fucking setup, even for runners, but who really cares, right? We don't need to be greedy. So yeah, that would have been a perfect trade, perfect reading of the market, but unfortunately the time zone changed, so I didn't take this trade, but it was a really nice one. I already journaled it right here. I'm using a new journal setup with images. I think it's way better than before. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.